Not all tire rotation patterns work well for every situation. Most patterns depend upon which axle of the vehicle moves the vehicle forward, front, rear, or both. Front-wheel drive cars and trucks should usually use the forward cross tire rotation pattern to ensure even tire wear. The rear tires move forward and across to the opposite sides of the vehicle. The front tires move to the rear but stay on the same sides of the car or truck. The forward cross is designed to improve tire wear for front-wheel driven cars and trucks. It helps better distribute tire wear evenly to each tire over time. After rotating the tires with the forward cross a few times, each tire will rotate to every location around your vehicle. This allows the tire to experience the unique wear patterns of each tire position and allow them to average out over the course of several tire rotations. The reason the forward cross is best suited for front-wheel drive is because it replaces the tire that usually wears the fastest on a front-wheel drive vehicle, the driver's front tire, with the tire that usually wears the slowest, the passenger rear tire. If you'd like to learn more about tire rotation and tires in general, check out tiregrades.com.